Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are checking out something every traveler should know about, the best universal travel plug adapter that makes charging in different countries super simple and stress-free. If you travel often or plan to go abroad, this little device can really change your experience in a big way. Let's see why the Baseus Enercore CG11 Universal Travel Plug Adapter is getting so much attention. Let's get started. The Baseus Enercore G11 Universal Travel Plug Adapter is designed for people who want one simple solution for charging all their devices anywhere in the world. Instead of carrying different adapters for different countries, this one compact device supports more than 200 countries, including Europe, Asia, the USA, and Australia. That means you can plug in almost anywhere without worrying about compatibility. It comes with 4 built-in plug types, so switching between regions feels quick and effortless. One of the most impressive parts of the Baseus Enercore CG11 Universal Travel Plug Adapter is its built-in 70-watt USB-C retractable cable. This cable is strong, fast, and very convenient. Because it is retractable and braided with durable nylon, it stays protected from damage and tangling. You can easily pull it out when needed and tuck it back in when you are done. It is powerful enough to charge laptops, tablets, and smartphones, which makes it perfect for both work and travel. Another great benefit is that this adapter can charge up to 6 devices at the same time. So instead of waiting for one device to charge before plugging in another, you can power everything together. This saves time and keeps all your essential gadgets ready to use whenever you need them. It works like a compact charging hub that fits right in your hand. Portability is also a big highlight of the Baseus Enercore CG11 Universal Travel Plug Adapter. It is built in a compact all-in-one design, which means you do not need to carry extra chargers or messy cables. It fits easily into a backpack, suitcase, or even a small laptop bag. Whether you are on a business trip, studying abroad, or just traveling for fun, this adapter helps keep your setup clean and organized. Safety is another area where this device stands out. It is made from fireproof and shock-resistant PC material, which adds strong protection during daily use. Inside, it includes dual 10A fuses that help protect your devices from unexpected power issues. It also has multiple safety layers to prevent problems like overheating, short circuits, and overpower situations. With UL, CE, and FCC certifications, you can feel confident that your devices are safe while charging. The design of the Baseus Enercore CG11 Universal Travel Plug Adapter is not just powerful, but also smart and travel-friendly. Everything is packed into one sleek body, making it easy to handle and store. It reduces clutter and gives you a smooth charging experience wherever you go. So if you want a reliable travel companion that keeps all your devices powered anywhere in the world, this is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description and see the latest offer for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more simple and useful product videos. This is one travel upgrade you will be glad you made. See you in the next one.